Purchasing and using any packages your service provider is offering could not be easier with SimplyBook.me. In order to purchase a package, you should navigate to the Packages section of the booking page, which is normally located in the navigation menu. Here you will see the details of available packages, such as included items and validity period. Please note that if you check out using the Pay Later method, it will be required that your service provider manually confirm the payment before it is added to your account. You can take a look at your active packages as well as their duration and amount of remaining items in My Packages. You will have the option of choosing whether to apply a package to your purchase before checking out. We hope you found this video helpful. You can find more tutorials like this on our YouTube channel. Please do not hesitate to like and subscribe, as well as check the links in the description to follow our social media pages. Thank you for choosing SimplyBook.me.